What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz Miller and the 911 back here with another video. Today we're going on a Boba run. This is just an excuse to get the car out of the garage. I've got approximately 20 seconds more until I can cuss, so enjoy the car pulling out of the garage. Yeah, let me get Yo, what up, gang? It's been out for the last couple of days. Today we are going to Kung Fu Tea. We're gonna get a boba. We're gonna get a boba drink. I would be getting a coffee right now, but I've already had a coffee this morning, so I don't need to like OD on caffeine. Well, I appreciate you for tuning in. I think I'm gonna try some like car vlog style videos where it's like driving either with the dash cam for like a POV tow run. Can't make that shit up, bro. Swear. Yo, this Camaro's trying to boss up on me real quick. I'ma chill. GG's. Bro, honestly, like, I don't speed. So, like, I just don't push it, you know? I just don't want to even begin to get a ticket. If I got a ticket, this thing's gone. So my dad would actually take it away from me. Hey Siri, take me to Kung Fu Tea. I was gonna pick out a topic for today's video, but honestly, we're just gonna shoot the shit. You know what I'm saying? Whatever comes up, whatever opportunities may present themselves, that's what we're getting into. Happy Thanksgiving, by the way, if you're watching this right now on Thanksgiving. Hello.
We're gonna get started for you.
Can I have a honey milk tea with boba, please?
Yeah. Do you want a copy of your receipt?
No, ma'am.
Order number's gonna be 6.
Alright, thank you. Today, I got a honey milk tea with boba. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I already had a sip, so this is like a fake first sip reaction, but... Ooh, bro, even with the less sweetness, this shit is sweet as hell. I don't know about you guys, but daylight savings has been whooping my ass. I'll work from 9 to 3 or 9 to 5. Bro, it's dark at 5:15. That gives me approximately 45 minutes to do something I want that's fun outside. Low-key wish that didn't exist, you know? Hey, how about that? How about it just gets dark when it's supposed to get dark? It's cold. It's rainy. It's just wintry right now. You know what I'm saying? A little harder to get the car out. A little harder to get the friends together. A little harder to do shit you enjoy if you enjoy outside things. If you're a fucking gamer right now, then you're living it up. I'm getting ready to go make a reel. So if you guys are watching this on YouTube, freaking go check out my Instagram, find the reel, and comment that you came from YouTube. I'm not gonna lie, this boba is my go-to sometimes. Is it your go-to if you only get it sometimes? I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. If you guys have not tried a milk tea with honey, gas. In other news, I sold my R6 recently. I've missed riding, but it was getting to the point where I was like more anxious about riding than having fun. And I didn't even like cut up, bro. I didn't max that thing out one time. And for me, bro, a 600 was so fast. Like, no, absolutely no reason to have a 1000. Seeing people crash and wreck and die and like, oh my god, like bikes are fun, but the risk is just not it, bro. Not for me. Sometimes I absolutely miss a boosted car. The 32 was so fun for that, having it spool up, but the instant like punch of this car is really fun. It's really enjoyable. The fact that this thing is torquey at the low end and has crazy top end speed is just like ultimate car, bro. Biased, yes, absolutely. Shout out the 911. Many years and drives and miles to come. Let's do a mileage check-in, bro. We're at 43 259. Part of me is like, bro, fuck it. Like, let's just put 100,000 on it this year. And then the other half of me is like, ooh, let me park it for 6 years and cash out later. You know what I'm saying? So there's probably going to be a balance of the two. I've committed to driving this thing solely for fun. I don't want to just go get groceries in it unless I'm having fun. If the miles are going to be put on this car, they're going to be fun. So that's what I'm going for. That's kind of what I'm sticking to. Oh, that was one of those instances where this seat not going any farther back absolutely just fucks me. Bro, I have a serious question for you guys. If you could get a brand new Turbo S or a GT3 Touring, I think that's what it's called, what would you get? Bro, I instinctively just started driving home and realized, yo! They couldn't see in here, but two kids on bikes. They look like some 12 o'clock boys were like, they were like freaking out, dude. I love it. Bro, that E46, I hope the camera caught some of that, bro. Bro, do y'all ever get to that point in your drive or in your trip or in your commute and you're just like, yep, ready to be home, like, I only got a couple more minutes home, but I'm just wish I could just boop, and I'm in my garage. Like, I've hit my threshold, you know what I'm saying? Just ready to be home, and it's about to be, shit, it's 3:30. It's not really about to be traffic time, but I don't want to find out, you know what I'm saying? Get off my ass, please just go around. Boba down the pipe, bro. We're good. I'll see y'all at home. Just like that, we are back at the house. Go let me know something you're thankful for. I will start it off. I'm thankful for the 911. Genuinely though, I'm so grateful for this thing. I love this car to death. I appreciate you guys. That should actually probably be number one. So if you've made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. More 911 content coming up soon. This has been Fitzmiller and the Toad, back here with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Almost forgot to do a Maple update. It's only been a couple days since the last one, but she's learning to wait, going in and out of doors or in and out of different environments. Break. Good girl. Just teaching her manners. You guys know I'm an avid disc golfer, and if you don't, you do now. I cannot wait for her to learn to catch this or to at least play fetch with it. So she looks like a little pig, but all right. Appreciate y'all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.